Hey GlamFam, Linwood here. So you guys remember when I did that wig for Mina Ree, aka Melina, on this channel here for UNice Hair? Well, basically this is that wig. And in that video I asked you guys what color you thought I should do, and nearly everyone was like, do blue, do her signature blue. And so we're gonna go through some levels of struggle today, I'm sure. I've got Melina here on the phone. Melina, say hi.
Hi, GlamFam! How's everybody doing?
I'm pretty sure they said they're doing great. If they're not, they are now. So she and I have already talked, and let me put her back in my ear. She and I have already talked and basically discussed the whole aspect of, like, you know, you have to bleach hair out really, really light to get it to take blue, especially as bright a blue as hers. So I'm probably gonna try for a darker blue, number one. Number two, I've already got my Blonde Me lightener by Schwarzkopf, but I upped the developer to 40, which basically is like the devil's hail sitting on his hair. So we're gonna see how much his hair can really hold up to. This is gonna be the true test. I've already got stuff mixed up and I'm just going to literally dive right in. So on the back side of this, I've already got half of this hair parted off and braided. We're gonna work on just the top half because usually this lightener lifts really fast, and with this developer I'm gonna have to make sure I up my speed as well. So yeah. Without further ado, let's dive right in, because I've already got my lightener mixed up, and I'm going to do voiceovers because I'm being messy and chit-chatting with Melina. Okay.
So GlamFam, just going ahead and placing the lightener on this hair. Just make sure you get it really well saturated. This is probably the only voiceover I'll do because all the other applications look pretty much just like this. And I'm going to put a foil on here to incubate it and to keep it from touching the hair underneath that I don't want it to touch. And we're just going to continue this process all the way throughout the top. That's it.
Alright, you guys, so I went ahead and applied all of the lightener on there, but you guys can see, like, by the time I got to the last section, this is already getting pretty light. However, I'm gonna have to probably take this off of here and either put it in a bag or put something down on the floor underneath, because it's getting really hot. And when bleach gets hot, it does two things. Number one, it's very prone to over processing the hair, so I'll have to keep a close eye on it. And number two, did I do two fingers at first? I don't remember. Number two, it liquefies the bleach and makes it run and drip, and I don't need it messing up my carpet. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let this process. We'll keep an eye on it and kind of see how all that goes. And of course, I'm still on the phone being messy with Melina, so yeah. Okay, so we'll just keep an eye on this and kind of, hopefully, fingers crossed, it will lift light enough to make things happen. Alright, GlamFam, so it's now been like a billion years. It's been at least 40 minutes, I'm sure. I'm still on the phone with Melina. This hair is pretty much done lifting, and it is nowhere near light enough to take blue. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it out, try to dry it, and then we'll reapply bleach. And if it doesn't get light enough from there may be a color change in effect. So we'll see. So stay tuned, because we don't know what's gonna happen. Hopefully there'll be hair left on this wig.
So here, you guys can see it's really orangey. There's no way we could take blue. The ends are still pretty strong, though, so no snapping or breaking. That's a good thing. And we're just going to go ahead and apply another round of lightener. This could get interesting.
Alright, GlamFam, so we bleached it out the second time, again with 40 volume developer, and then I went ahead and toned it with the Viral Silver Wash. I like using this as a toner because it's literally a shampoo that tones in one step. But that way you guys can kind of see, it did cut some of the more brassy tones, but we still have some orange in there. So I feel like the more blonde tones in there will pick up the blue pretty well. The orangey tones, I don't know. But the blue I plan on using on it is a really intense blue, because I do know for the usual blue I would do on Melina, I mixed this blue here and another one that's a bit lighter, but that would not cover these tones. So I'm just gonna go with a deeper blue on this one, which is a midnight blue that I got from my local Sally's. It's by Ion. I'll see if I can find a link for it. It comes in a little bottle like this. You literally do not mix it up. Hold on, can you see it? There we go. You literally don't mix it up with anything else. It's just take it out, apply it directly on the hair. So on this hair, what I've done is I've shampooed it. I have not even conditioned it. I haven't detangled it. I haven't done anything. This is literally what the hair is looking like. It does still have great elasticity even after bleaching twice. Look at that. No gumminess, no stretchiness, anything like that. And that's even on the lightest portion. But I will tell you, I can tell by pulling on it, I'm not going to be able to get another round of bleach and it still stay as strong. But I will say the hair is holding up really well through bleaching, so that's a plus for UNice. I'm going to go ahead and start applying this color.
Throughout this process, you'll want to make sure that you put the color on here really well and saturate it really well, because if you don't, you will have light spots that show through and it will be an ugly, hot mess. Don't say I didn't warn you, boo. Don't say I didn't.
Alright, GlamFam, so the color is applied. I'm going to let it sit on there for about 25 minutes. But I want to show you guys this right here. This is why hairstylists always wear black. Because, there we go. Not because we're gothic and morbid. Sometimes we are. But because, look, this is why we always wear black. And I'm, of course, the hard-headed hairstylist that never wears black. I've always got on some pop of color or something, which thankfully it didn't get on my cardigan, but it did get on my shirt. But no big deal. I've already got like red hair color and stuff on here, so we'll see if it'll come out. At any rate, 25 minutes, then I'm going to shampoo, condition it, let it air dry. Stay tuned. Alright, GlamFam, so this is the blue that it turned out. Pero no me gusta porque es muy feo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put some high lift blonde on here instead of bleach. A lot of people don't know high lift blondes are able to lift out temporary colors like this pretty easily. So we're going to give it a go. Even though this is really dark, I'm hoping it works. We're going to use the XLN from Lumishine and try to lift this out because I consider this a fail. It's very muddy. Very. So basically, like, you can see the blue in like the lighter portions, but the areas that were orangey, like, it just looks gross. I just feel like, ew, I don't like it at all. So you don't have to be quite as light to get to purple. And I know purple is Melina's favorite color. So I'm going to be lifting that out with that, and I'm going to be putting on some of the Pravana Chroma Silk Vivids in the violet, and we're gonna call it a day because things ain't nobody got time for. Coloring this wig 5 million times. It's already been bleached twice and colored once. I'm tired. And I'm old and decrepit. Let's go ahead and get the stripping this color off here because I thought my stripping days were over. Okay, so I went ahead and rinsed out the high lift color and I blow dried it. And now this is what it's looking like. So it didn't lift it all the way out, but it did get a good degree of that pigment out of there. So I'm debating on how exactly I want to tackle this. Like, I've got the purple, but I've also got some red in the house. I know the red would show, but I feel like red is kind of played out. Part of me wants to go ahead and do the purple or possibly even mix the red and the purple. I'm not really sure. So many struggles, so many potentials for fail. But it still has like this bluish shade here. So I feel like I can take that somewhere amazing and it not be totally horrible. Pero I don't know. So we'll see. I'm at the point now where I'm like, girl, you about to wear it like this. But that's my bestie, so I gotta make sure to do her right. Can't have her looking totally busted. Maybe I'll have the back of the wig ugly so people will be able to see it, but she won't. Who knows? We'll see. So I'm gonna go ahead. I think I'm gonna go ahead and mix the red and the purple, and that way I can get like a more intense violet up here where the blue is to kind of counteract with the red, and then down here hopefully get that poppy type purple. We'll see. Alright, GlamFam, so I'm here with Melina, and I hope you guys are ready for the grand reveal, because we have some surprises. Here we go. Alright, GlamFam, so without further ado, here is the grand reveal.
Bam!
I'm very closest so I can see the color. Hold on.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know if they can see. Let me step behind the camera some way I can see what the camera sees. Hold on, I'm about to blind you. Stand by. Yes. All right, come closer so that way I can see the hair color. All right, so there we go. So hopefully that way you guys can see the violet tones in this wig. I love the way that this turned out because like you guys can see here, we've got like those blue violet tones here. And then all the way down to the ends. We have, my hands are so white. All the way down to the ends, we have these violet tones. You guys can see those black tones are still in there from the initial construction of the wig. And I think it looks good on her. Let me, yes. Yeah, yes, yes. Okay, so, of course, as always, let us know what you think in the comment box down below. And if you haven't seen our super petty chit chat / get ready with us, you've got to go watch that. I'll put a link to it in the top right corner. It should be right over in my weave right now. It should be in my weave. So yeah, let us know what you guys think down below. Check out her channel. And until next time, take care. God bless. Stay glam. And thank you for being my model.
Oh, thank you for giving me some luxurious long hair finally.
You can step off my comment section.
Till next time.
Yes. She's gonna be like, why I don't have any long curly hair?
Right?
I have to throw this extra bit in there. This hair has held up through Hello Kitty and high water, because when I tell you, like, when it's wet, it doesn't feel stretchy, it doesn't feel fried. Like, you can take your fingers through it still feels soft.
For hair that he took the Hello Kitty and back, like, this hair is so soft. Scared that it was gonna be falling out or that I was gonna have a bob.
I thought I was gonna have to contact UNice, like, see.
So yeah, that wig.
Yeah, do a follow-up video. It's like kind of fried it. But yeah, I'm talking to you, like, I did 2 rounds of bleaching with 40 volume developer, went back over it with the high lift color, also with 40 volume developer, to strip out everything that was in there, and still was able to put some more color on here.
Yeah, because anybody that knows anything about hair, you know that you would have no hair left after all that. Like,
the
it
wind
would be
would
gone.
blow and you'd be bald. So UNice, I'm gonna give him I'm gonna go ahead and give him 3 thumbs up. Let me borrow your thumb. Yes, 3 thumbs up to UNice, because for them to take this level of abuse, and trust me, I've had, I don't remember what company that was, I did like the ombre look on Allison, and 1 round of bleach fried that hair.
Yeah.
The color turned out cute, but it was fried.
That was the hair that was smoking.
Yes. But this one here did not smoke. It did get a little warm when I put the color on there, but then it instantly, like, not instantly, maybe within a couple minutes it cooled back down. No smoking. It didn't liquefy out the bleach. It did not, the hair was fried. But in the final color, I did add a little bit of a protein conditioner in with it, and like
it brought it right back.
It feels very soft. It brought it right on back, which does not usually happen. So look at God, and that's without any Olaplex, but that is with the lightener that I use, which is a really good lightener. Don't be using that BW or BW2
because you will have no hair left.
You will be bald. Your wig will be bald. Your whole life will be bald, except for the areas that you want to be bald. You know the areas. Until next time, you guys, take care. God bless. Stay glam. And you know, we love you, boo. Bye.
Bye.
Ah, yes.
Ooh, I can't do all that. I almost flew. She almost flew.
Yeah, 'cause you know you don't have any hair to hold it down.
I felt her go, ooh.